Hi everybody, Luke Royce here with you for your closing market comments on Wednesday, July 8th. Well, it was another interesting day in the markets with beans lower, corn up a hair, and wheat leading a charge higher. This is the largest single day move in wheat in months. Talk of reductions in the French wheat crop, lower yields in the eastern corn belt on soft red winter, and dry weather in Russia, Ukraine, and Europe were the primary drivers. Wheat traded through resistance at 5.10 and a quarter, as funds became buyers when we broke several different levels. Corn rallied late following wheat higher. Beans struggled all day on the weather forecast calling for more rain and less heat over the next couple weeks. China offered 65,250 million metric tons of beans from the reserves, with 100% being sold. China has also considered selling pork out of the reserves to try and hold prices down for the consumer. ICAR cut the Russian crop from 128 million metric tons to 126 million metric tons, and CONAB put the Brazil's corn production at 100.6 million metric tons, lowering the safrinha crop slightly. Western traders are thinking this market is over with, and there will be excellent conditions that could possibly lead to a bumper crop. Weekly oil inventories were released today, with crude up from the previous week and last year. Gasoline stocks were down 4.8 million from last week and up from last year. Distillate stocks were up from last week and well above the last year. Refineries continue to slowly increase production at 77.5%, up 2% from last week, but still well below last year. Ethanol production continues to slowly work higher, up 14,000 from last week, but still 133,000 below last year. Ethanol stocks were up from last week and below last year, and this is the first week since April that the stock did not decrease from the previous week. Some view the expectation of lower driving because of the spike in COVID-19 cases in some states to be the cause. The dollar was down 439 points, while gold and silver were both up. Crude oil traded both sides today before closing up 34 cents, and the stocks traded both sides as well before closing, as the Dow futures were up 134, Nasdaq up 92, and the S&P up 17. As a reminder, the USDA will release the monthly WASDE report on Friday, July 10th at noon. This report should include the new acres from June 30th report and adjust the stocks and production. Also, as a reminder, this yield will be based on crop conditions as of July 1st. So as always, thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.